You ever watch that movie, Serpico? It's got that guy in it, Al Pacino.
No.
Yeah, me either.
Why'd you ask me if I've seen it if you've even seen it?
I don't know, just trying to make conversation. No, I heard it's pretty good.
That you haven't seen it though.
Alright, Jesus.
Just saying, if you want to have a conversation, at least make it somewhat relevant.
Alright, fine. Christ. Oh, jeez. She's really thrashing around back there.
We're gonna have to stop and let her out.
Yeah. I don't want to stop and let her out. She's gonna jump out. Listen, she's in fight or flight mode right now.
We can't exactly drive around with her thrashing the boot now, can we?
I know that. She's gonna jump out or try and jump out, and I just don't know what she's got back there. Like, did you empty the boot out?
No? I thought you did. Shit, now you got me worried.
You took the wrench out, right?
Fuck.
Okay. Yeah.
I can pull over here. Okay, get ready.
Yeah. Let's go. Did he call yet?
No. Fuck, my head hurts.
And you probably have a concussion.
Yeah, she hit me hard enough. Took me as well, fucking bitch.
Yeah. He's not gonna be happy.
No, definitely not.
So, we just wait here?
That's what he said.
Why?
I don't know, man. Dramatics? You know what he's fucking like.
Yeah, he does like his theatrics. Oh, you want to go to that pizza place we passed on the way here, once this is all wrapped up?
Yeah, I suppose. What do they got?
I don't know, man. It's pizza. I think they do a pretty good chicken one, so...
Pepperoni?
It's a pizza place, mate.
Yeah. She ran away. I got knocked out. I don't know what with. Yeah, we searched it. Yeah. What paper? There was no paper. Ah, for fuck's sake. Okay. Alright. We'll go wait then.
He's not happy with us, is he?
What's in this?
Salt, garlic, oregano.
Yeah, I could taste it.
Is it alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
So, what was the bit of paper?
I don't know. He didn't say, but he wanted it.
And he didn't say anything about a bit of paper before all this, did he?
No. No, I don't know.
And she had it on her this whole time?
Apparently.
Yeah, but we searched her. Like you told him, right?
I know.
There enough salt in there?
Yeah. Oh, I could do it more.